Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
Turn off the printer and remove the ink ribbon from the top of the printer. Open the card drawer, empty out the waste bin. Remove the remaining cards and remove the card catcher before closing the drawer. Disconnect the power cable and wrap it up for packing. Place the printer into the shipping case, followed by the card catcher and power cable. Lock the shipping case, place the FedEx return label on the case, and secure the shipping case with the provided red seals.